How to add Slack emojis. So if you're using the mobile version of Slack, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap the smiley face icon in the message field to open the menu, then enter a name for your custom emoji and then simply tap the add custom emoji button. If your emoji name is taken, choose another. Tap photo library or take photo and follow the prompts to upload an image, and when you're ready, tap add in the top right corner. Now if you're using the desktop version, what you're gonna have to do is simply click the smiley face icon in the message field to open the emoji menu, and then simply click on add emoji, click upload image and select the file, and under give it a name, enter a name for your emoji, and then simply click on save, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.